answering the phone.
Hello?
Hello, is that John?
Yes, it is.
Hi, John, it's Mary.
Hi, Mary.
Greeting a neighbor.
Hello, Mrs. Jones.
Hello, Michael.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Greeting a teacher.
Good morning, Mr. Smith.
Good morning, Sarah.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you.
Leaving a friend's house.
Thank you for today.
You're welcome. Come again.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Leaving a shop.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Meeting a classmate.
Hello. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben.
Nice to meet you, too.
See you in class.
Yes. See you.
Meeting a friend in the park.
Hi, Tom.
Hi, Lisa.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks. And you?
I'm fine, too.
Bye.
Bye.
Saying goodbye after class.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
Saying goodbye on the phone.
Okay, I have to go now.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Yes, see you later.
Saying hello at a party.
Hello, welcome to the party.
Thank you.
I'm David.
I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
At a party. Quick hello.
Hello. How are you?
Hello, I am fine, thanks.
Good.
Enjoy the party.
You too.
At the school gate. Morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good. See you later.
Okay, see you.
Bye.
Greeting a friend arriving.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello, thank you.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good.
Great.
Greeting at a train station.
Hello. You are here.
Hello. Yes, I am.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How was your trip?
It was good.
Leaving a play date.
Goodbye. It was fun.
Goodbye. Yes, it was.
Thank you for playing with me.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Meeting someone on the street.
Hello. I know you.
Hello. Yes, I know you too.
How are you today?
I am fine. Thank you.
Good. Bye.
Bye.
Saying goodbye after a game.
Goodbye. That was a good game.
Goodbye. Yes, it was fun.
See you next week.
Yes, see you then.
Bye.
Bye.
Saying goodbye at the zoo.
Goodbye. The animals are great.
Yes, goodbye. It was fun.
See you next time.
Okay, see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Saying goodbye to a friend. Short.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, see you.
Saying hello to a new pet.
Hello, little dog.
Woof.
You are so cute. Welcome home.
Brief encounter in a lift.
Hello.
Hello.
What floor?
2, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye after borrowing something.
Thank you for the book.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I'll give it back soon.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Greeting at the door.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello. Thank you.
Come in.
Thank you.
Greeting in the morning. Brief.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Leaving after a short visit.
Thank you for the tea.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. See you soon.
Yes. See you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Meeting at the park bench.
Hello. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a nice day.
Yes, it is. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Meeting at the school gate. Afternoon.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm good. Is this your son?
Yes, this is Tom. Tom, say hello.
Hello, Tom.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Quick hello at a party.
Hello. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine, thanks. You?
I'm good. Enjoy the party.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Saying goodbye after a play date.
Bye, Tom. Thank you for playing.
Bye. It was fun.
See you next week.
Yes, see you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Saying goodbye at the playground.
We have to go now.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Maybe. Bye.
Goodbye.
Greeting a friend at school.
Hello, Sarah.
Hi, Mark.
How are you today?
I'm okay, thanks. And you?
I am very well. Let's go to class.
Okay.
Greeting someone at the door.
Hello. Come in.
Hi, thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Leaving a restaurant.
Goodbye. Thank you for the food.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Leaving a shop.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
You too.
Meeting a friend at the cinema.
Hello, Tom.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Are you ready for the movie?
Yes, very ready.
Great, let's go in.
Meeting someone in a lift.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Saying goodbye after a visit.
Goodbye. Thank you for coming.
Goodbye. Thank you for having me.
See you soon.
Yes. See you soon.
Saying goodbye to a friend.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Yes, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Saying goodbye to a parent.
Goodbye, Mom.
Goodbye, darling. Have a good day.
Thank you. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Saying hello to a new friend.
Hello, I'm Lisa.
Hi, Lisa. I'm John.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa.
Greeting a family member returning home.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, sweetie.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Greeting someone at a hotel reception.
Hello.
Hi. Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Leaving a restaurant.
Goodbye. Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
See ya.
See you.
Meeting a colleague in the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm good too. Bye.
Bye.
Meeting someone new at a club.
Hello. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, Anna.
Saying goodbye at the bus stop.
My bus is here. Goodbye.
Okay, bye.
See you later.
See you?
Saying goodbye to a shop assistant.
Thank you. Goodbye.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Saying goodbye to a visitor.
Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you.
See you later.
Saying hello at a coffee shop.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Bye.
Bye.
Saying hello to a child.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Entering an elevator.
Hello.
Hello.
Which floor?
The 3rd floor, please.
Okay.
Exiting an elevator.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Reading a postman.
Good morning.
Good morning. Here is your mail.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Bye.
Greeting someone at the library.
Hello. Are you okay?
Yes, thank you. Hello.
I'm here to study.
Me too. Good luck.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye.
Leaving a waiting room.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
You too.
Leaving the gym.
Goodbye. See you again.
Bye. Maybe tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Meeting at a sports game.
Hi. What's your name?
I'm Ben. Hello.
I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I must go now. Bye, Ben.
Goodbye, Anna.
Meeting someone at the gym.
Hi. Are you new here?
Yes, I am. Hello.
Welcome. I'm here often.
Thank you.
Saying goodbye to a pet sitter.
Thank you for looking after my cat.
You're welcome. He is a good cat.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you next time.
Yes, see you.
Saying hello at a doctor's office.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I have an appointment.
Your name, please?
It is Tom Smith.
Please wait here. Thank you.
Goodbye after a short visit.
Okay, I must go now.
Oh, already?
Yes, thank you for the tea.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye after playing.
It's time to go home.
Okay. I'm tired.
See you tomorrow.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye at the train station.
My train is here.
Oh, okay.
It was nice to see you.
You too. Have a good trip.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye to a friend at school.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Yes, see you.
Have a good evening.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye to a waiter.
The bill, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's the money.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello. at a tourist information center.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello. I need a map.
Okay, here is a map.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, at the bakery.
Hello.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. One bread.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you. How much?
€2.
Here you go. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello, at the post office.
Hello, I need a stamp.
Hello. Okay, 1 stamp?
Yes, please.
That is €1.
Hello, in a bookstore.
Hello, I'm looking for a book.
Hello. What kind of book?
A book for children.
Okay, this way, please.
Hello to a new student.
Hello. Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
Welcome. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. I'm Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben.
Greeting a friend at a bus stop.
Hello, friend's name.
Hi. Your name? How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am.
Greeting a shopkeeper.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
Okay.
Leaving a cafe.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good day.
Thanks. You too.
Leaving a store.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
You too.
Meeting at a cafe.
Hi. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Meeting at a park.
Hello.
Hi.
Nice weather today.
Yes, it is.
Meeting at the supermarket.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Thanks. See you later.
Yes. See you.
Meeting someone on the street.
Hello. How are you today?
Hello. I'm okay, thank you. And you?
I'm very well. Thank you.
Good. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Saying goodbye at a park.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. See you later.
Yes, see you.
Saying goodbye to a child.
Goodbye, little one.
Bye.
See you soon.
Goodbye after a game.
Goodbye, Tom. That was a fun game.
Yes. Goodbye, Sarah. See you next week?
Yes, next week. Same time.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye at the airport.
Goodbye, Mom. I will call you.
Bye, sweetie. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. Be careful.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye at the library.
Goodbye. I have to go home now.
Okay. Goodbye. See you again?
Yes, see you again. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye at the playground.
Goodbye. I am going home now.
Okay. Goodbye. See you tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye at the train station.
Goodbye. My train is here.
Goodbye. Have a good trip.
Thank you. See you soon.
Yes. See you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello at a dance class.
Hello. Is this the dance class?
Yes, it is. Hello. Come in.
Thank you. I am Anna.
Hello, Anna. I am Maria.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hello at a friend's birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Come in.
Here is a present for you.
Thank you so much. Hello.
Hello at the zoo.
Hello. I am here to see the animals.
Welcome to the zoo. I am the guide. Hello.
Thank you. What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock.
Okay. See you later.
Goodbye. Have a good time.
Hello to a baby.
Hello, baby. You are so small.
Cuckoo.
Yes, you are. Hello.
Hello to a new pet.
Hello, little cat. You are so cute.
Meow.
What is your name?
Meow.
Okay, I will call you Mittens. Hello, Mittens.
Checking into a hotel.
Hello. I have a reservation.
Hello. What is your name, please?
My name is Anna Smith.
Okay, Anna Smith. Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Greeting a friend at the airport.
Hello, John. Welcome back.
Hello, Peter. It's good to be back.
How was your trip?
It was very good, thank you.
Greeting a guest at home.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello. Thank you for inviting me.
Please, come in.
Greeting someone at a train station.
Hello. Are you waiting for the train?
Yes, I am. Hello.
Me too.
Leaving a friend's house.
Thank you for today. It was fun.
You're welcome. Come again soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Leaving a restaurant.
Thank you for the food.
You're welcome. Was everything okay?
Yes, it was very good.
Great. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you again.
Meeting at a school event.
Hello. Are you here for the concert?
Yes, I am. Hello.
My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I am Mary.
Nice to meet you too, Mary.
Saying goodbye after a visit.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you later.
Saying goodbye at a park.
It's late. I have to go now.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow?
Yes. See you tomorrow.
Saying hello at a party, briefly.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
Greeting at a friend's house.
Hello, I am here.
Hello. Come in.
Thank you.
How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am good too.
Greeting someone at a store.
Hello. Can I help you?
Hello. Yes, please.
What do you need?
I need bread.
Okay, bread is over there.
Thank you.
Leaving a restaurant.
Goodbye. Thank you for the food.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
It was very good.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Leaving a shop.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
You too.
Meeting at a bus stop.
Hello. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. Hello.
Which bus are you waiting for?
The number 10.
Oh, me too. Great.
It is late today.
Yes, it is.
Meeting at a coffee shop.
Hello, how are you?
Hello. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too. Thank you.
Good.
Saying goodbye after a visit.
Goodbye. It was nice.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Yes. See you soon.
Take care.
You too.
Saying goodbye at school.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Yes, see you tomorrow.
Have a good evening.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks.
Saying goodbye to a guest.
Goodbye. It was nice to see you.
Goodbye. Thank you for having me.
Come again soon.
I will. Bye.
Bye.
Saying hello at a park.
Hello. Nice day, isn't it?
Hello. Yes, very nice.
Are you here often?
Yes, every day.
I like this park.
Greeting at a friend's house.
Hello. I am here.
Hello. Welcome.
Thank you.
Come in.
Greeting at a train station.
Hello. Are you waiting for the train?
Yes, I am. Hello.
Me too.
Oh, okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Leaving a play date.
Goodbye. Thank you for playing.
Goodbye. You're welcome.
I had fun.
Me too.
See you soon.
Yes. Goodbye.
Leaving a restaurant.
Goodbye. The food was good.
Thank you. Goodbye.
See you again.
Okay. See ya.
Meeting at a party.
Hello.
Hello.
I am Anna.
I am Ben.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Meeting at the market.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good, thanks.
See you later.
Yes. Goodbye.
Meeting someone on the street.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
I am okay. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Saying goodbye at the airport.
Goodbye. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Goodbye.
See you soon.
Yes. See you.
Saying goodbye to a friend.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, see ya.
Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Saying hello at school gate.
Hello. How are you today?
Hello. I am fine. Thank you.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am.
Okay, see you in class.
Goodbye.